How to upload long videos on Snapchat Story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are here with another helpful tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a long Snapchat story easily. But before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on Add to My Story and select a video from your camera roll. So if your video is longer than 60 seconds, Snapchat will automatically split it into the multiple snaps. Since Snapchat doesn't allow a single video over 60 seconds, here is what you can do. So use a video editing app like CapCut or any other editing tools and upload your video. And after that, you can simply speed it up so it fits within the 60-second limit. And after that, you can save the edited video and upload it to your Snapchat as a single story. And that's it. Now you know how to upload a long Snapchat story effortlessly. And with this, if this tutorial was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.